Hi everyone, my name is Ditesh and today we will be discussing about finding the date difference when the two dates are in rows. Let's take a real scenario from customer support organization and trying to find the tickets that are classified as re-repair. When a device fails repeatedly within a certain time frame, it's called re-repair. For the sake of this demo, let's consider 30 days as re-repair. Let's get started. Here's the sample data in the Power BI file. So we have only three fields: device ID, ticket ID, and ticket created date. So device ID is just like your serial number. So each unique device will have a unique ID. And then when a customer calls in, right, when there is a repair, so a ticket is created in the support organization, CRM. And ticket created date is the date when the ticket was raised. So now we are trying to find out whether this particular device or the ticket is a re-repair or not. If a particular device is failing frequently, for the sake of this demo, let's consider 30 days as a cutoff, 30 days. Then we'll consider as a re-repair. So if the same device failed today and if it is failing in another 15 days, we call it as re-repair. But if the device which failed today, if it's failing after, let's say, uh, 31 days, then it's not a re-repair. So the first thing is we need to calculate the day difference for each of the unique devices based on its failure date or the ticket created date. Let me add a new column, call this as date diff. So we are going to find the difference between 2 days, that is the current ticket created date versus the previous or earlier ticket created date for the same serial number. If it exists, I'm going to use date diff function. So first let's bring in the previous ticket created date, if any. So I'm going to use date one, calculate. Expression is max ticket created date, filter the table data, filter expression. It's for the device ID because we are looking for the same device. If there was a ticket created for the same device, I'm going to use device ID equal to earlier device ID. This is the first condition. And then we are also checking if the ticket created date is less than the current date or the present ticket created date. So I'm going to use earlier of ticket created date is less than, or maybe we can do this way. Data ticket created date is less than earlier of data ticket created date. And then the second date will be simply the ticket created date. And then the difference will be in days. So hit enter. So now we have the date difference between two tickets for the same device. So let's sort this device ID, just validate the data. As you can see here, so this particular serial number or device ID has multiple failures. The first time it failed was in the month of March, and the second time it failed in the month of September. So there is a gap of 186 days. For this example, we are using 30 days as a cutoff, so it's not a repair. But the third repair that happened in the month of September 19, in a span of just 14 days, It's a re-repair. So we need to flag this as a re-repair. And then let's take this example. So the first time the device failed in the month of November 9, 21, and then it failed again in 22 June. So almost close to 210 days. It's not a re-repair because the cutoff is 30 days. So let's modify this formula a bit. Let's rename this as re-repair flag. And then let's add a, let's call this as a function. Right? Okay. And then let's with them if their difference is greater than 0 and their difference is less than or equal to 30, flag it as re-repair. Else non-re-repair. Hit enter. So we know exactly those devices that are failing frequently are re-repair if it meets the criteria of 30 days. Else it's a non-repair. Now let's see the count of repair versus non-repair tickets. So let's add a matrix and then let's bring the re-repair flag to the rows and then device ID to the values. Let's make a count. So as you can see here, so we have approx 582 tickets. Out of this, 129 tickets are re-repair. The remaining 453 are non-repair cases. So this is how you can use this particular function, that is date difference, to calculate the difference between two dates when they are in the rows and then calculate the re-repair. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.